This is a damn good looking roof. We approached it on the perimeter of the existing flat roof. As you can see, there's a little rise, like a 45-degree structure, almost like from the wood. We removed it all throughout the perimeter. I know it's expensive. I paid around 340 Canadian dollars for this bucket of Flex Seal Max, but look, I use it all around this perimeter to seal. So when, let's say, trusses are installed, purlins are installed, but if it rains in the meantime, while we wait for the trusses, and while, let's say, trusses are installed but the metal roof is not installed yet, might take a few days, a few weeks. You see how we sealed where the settle used to be flashing? We sealed it all along, and it's with this Flex Seal Max. So then even if it rains, the water will not go inside. And you can see it's not even, it's not flat, but I filled it very generously. All around. So what I have these structural 5 and 4. So in the first layer I'm putting the 4 inches. Make sure to attach to this existing wood structure, the first plate. And then in the second plate I'm putting the an inch longer structural screws, 5-inch long, just to make sure they go through the 2, and again attached to the existing roof structure. So here you can see we applied the double plate all throughout the roof, all around. So this is where the trusses will sit. I'm going to add additional plates here somewhere in the middle, 2 or 3 runs for the trusses to have a few more points of like a saddle points. So here you go. Every 2 feet, what I did, I pre-marked the saddle points or hurricane type points for the trusses, and that's where the trusses will sit. These 2 walls, just temporary walls, because the trusses will only sit on exterior walls, on this one and this one. And then these guys I just built for safety during the truss installation. Nothing will be nailed to it, so after the trusses span from here to here, the triangle will be like this. And then I'm going to remove these temporary walls. 40 feet long. And it's the moment of truth. Unloading. Woo. Good morning, and here's the day when the trusses are being installed. Two big gables will be lifted first. The one
control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me high. Touching me like lightning, yeah. Keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. When I taste the clouds,
Before noon we have all the traffic set. So the guys will just spend the next few hours attaching them together.
I never wanna leave the sky. The way you made me feel alive. I was in the dark and baby, you're the light. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Couldn't fight if I wanted. Flying to places that I never thought I could go. You're a meteor shower, falling down all over me. Yeah, you're making me glow. Couldn't fight if I wanted. Flying to places that I never thought I could go. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Yeah, got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you.
So I'm here on the boom and I have all my materials with me here, properly stacked, 2 buckets. And I'm doing at the same time the bottom strip for the siding, J-trim, fascia, soffit, and I'm adding strapping as well. So it's good to just have everything in one spot and have accessibility. I'm just going to finish this side right now. And I will be fully ready for siding. Hopefully I can still finish everything this whole gable today before it gets done. That's going to
was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken,